Yo, what's up? What's up? So I'm gonna do a pre-market prep of the levels that I see and what I am looking for and what I did. So, excuse me, in my journal and in my trading journal video, I have my trading checklist, which is this. Okay, you can go to that video and copy it. I still need to hit the push-ups. I'm gonna hit the push-ups in a little bit. I'm just fucking warming up. So, basically, I do a step-by-step thing of what I have to do, and on one of the steps, it's the multi-time frame check, and I go through the week right here. I don't really hit the month. I didn't do the month today. I probably clicked it, whatever. Let's see. Yeah, I did. I didn't check it. There's really, but let's see what we see. I see the price went up, tested this level right here, came down, broke past that level, came here, now it's up. Is it fully bullish? Not yet, but it's getting there. So on the week, this is what I saw on the week. Okay, we are still, this candle closed above this candle, and this candle still green, so it's still valid bullish trend. But as we go in closer, you see the day still looks bull, right? So I go into the 4 hour, and the 4 hour, this is the first time that a red candle pops up, right? These are two strong green candles. Then we see the candles getting smaller, smaller, and then the red candle pops up. So it could be a retrace, it could be some liquidity sweeps, getting people out. So I see the hour, it's still in a like uptrend. So I usually like to mark. I thought I marked the day off. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So I marked yesterday. This is for yesterday's thing, right? So what I did, I marked the top of this. If we keep making highs, then it's a good valid area. And as I got in closer, I started to mark off these levels that are like closer to what's actually happening. So just the tips. And so this is a high. This is higher than this. So I just marked the high. Okay. And then when I get closer into the area, I move these candles. Like say on the higher time frames, this candle might not be at the tallest one, or actually it is, but this might be like this. Like the candle, the hold up. This might be like this for some reason, right? Like this dot isn't right on the tip. So as I get closer and I get closer to the time, I make it look nicer. And look, it didn't hit this area, but it did come back and test this area when it went all the way up, came all the way down, and it didn't quite reach the area, but it did test it. You see? So then I go to the 30 minute. I zoom out a little bit just to kind of keep the same vibe. And I see, look, the market went up. It did a good significant like jump. Didn't close bear bull, but it reversed here and came down a little bit. Then it came down, came down. You can still technically say this came down right here because once this candle opened, it went down, came up, went all the way up, right, and closed up here. And then this is the high right here because same thing. It opened, it could have gone all the way up, could have been solid green, like something like this, right? Like went down, up, whatever. Like going back to this, my bad. So like this, it came up here, was all the way here, was a solid candle, it was a solid green candle. But then as time kept going, boom, came all the way down. Nope, the bulls pulled it back up, and it closed right there. Then it opened here, went all the way down, you know, to there, to there, and it closed. It closed all the way back up here, and it started going up. So this is the levels that I'm marking, right? This is something significant, something significant. It went all the way down up. Do I have to mark every little thing? No. It went all the way up here. Cool. It tried to test it here. Nope. Tried to keep going up. Tried to test it here. Nope. Came down. So it's like ranging from here, from this support level to this resistance level. These levels that I marked off here are valid too because this level I marked off because it is a low and it does go to a high, but the way it broke here, there was so many imbalances. Plus, it was around where news was, so it was valid, right? So it broke past news, kind of crazy. So I marked it here and here. The news didn't break past through here, but yeah. Anyways, this is how I mark off my levels for the morning, and this is on 30 minutes. Say I go into the 15-minute, and I could clean it up, whatever, whatever. See, okay, perfect example how like this candle is not touching. I just put it there, Um, just try to keep it clean. And when you go up to the higher time frames, it's still gonna be at that level. It might change a little bit when you go higher too. Let me see an example like this. It might change. You don't see anything there, but if you go into the smaller time frames, it's there. It's marked off. So as I go into the smaller time frames, I'm still checking stuff, still being vigilant on what's happening, and really just keeping an eye on levels. I don't mark off anything just yet. I look at more market structure on these smaller time frames because um, the higher time frames hold more value, and it's not too far back. You know, it's not too far back. So you gotta take that into account. So you can go back, but see how bullish it stopped right here. So this is a really like a really important zone. So I just wanted to put out this video early. My bias, I get it from the higher time frames. So I see what the market is kind of doing. I'm thinking the market can go down, maybe can still continue up. I don't know, but I am watching it. You got to put in those hours of watching it. So I hope this helps you, and I hope you're using your strategy and sticking to your stuff. So have a good one. Peace. Peace.